Hello friends, this is Ben and I'm the spiritual counselor, always excited to bring to you the revelatory message of spirituality. Today I want to share with you one of my deepest, most profound spiritual secrets. It is one thing I have seen in the course of spirituality that lots of people are going through, and it is the prayer of the garment. And lots of times when people reach out and we carry out certain prayers, one of the things we keep seeing is the fact that there are people whose garment has been changed. Garment speaks of attraction. Garment speaks of your glory. Garment speaks of your covering. Garment speaks of your protection. And lots of people, you see that they are going through one thing or the other as a result of their garment that has been manipulated, that has been changed, wherever and whatever it may be. Stay with me. Today I will teach you how to change your garment spiritually, whatever they may have done to your garment, how to renew your garment through the use of garment, your clothes, your old clothes, and perfume. Stay with me. I'll be right back. Hello, welcome. If you're just joining me today, I always appreciate all those who subscribe to this channel and to receive, and you also click on the notification. I want to also say thank you for those of you who have been consistent. Today we will be talking about one of my deepest spiritual secrets, and it is a secret of the garment. You see, one of the things that the enemy can do against anyone is to change your garment. Your garment speaks of your image in the spirit realm. Your garment speaks of the force of attraction that you command. Your garment speaks of the authority. Your garment speaks of your covering. The Bible talked about Joseph. He said when the king invited him, he shaved his hair and changed his garments. He shaved his hair and changed his garment. The Bible talked about a man, the high priest called Joshua. He said when he stood before God, he was standing with a filthy garment. There are too many persons. You have been praying very well. You have been fasting. But there is something about your garment that is not allowing the dividends of your prayers to manifest in your life. There is something they have done on your garment. Your garment speaks of your force of attraction. Sometimes you carry out prayers for people, and some of the things you see is that so many people, as attractive as they look physically, as sweet, as wonderful as they look physically, spiritually they are putting on filthy garment. You see some persons, they'll tell you they have dreams and they see themselves running naked, walking naked, playing naked. Sometimes you see people with tattered clothes. Sometimes you see people with a whole lot of things. Some of these things are spiritual manipulations. Irrespective of what it may be in your life, should they have been someone who have tempered with your garment spiritually, today I want to show you how you can reverse those things through the use of your old clothes. Now, this is what you will do. You will get an old cloth of yours. Get the old cloth for this prayer. This prayer is going to be for 7 days. Now, for the first 3 days of this prayer, you will carry out the spiritual fast. From the hours of 6 p.m. to 6 a.m., you will taste no food, no water. And for that first 3 days, you will not eat anything peppery. You not eat anything peppery. And for the past from 6 p.m. to 6 a.m. you taste no food, no water. Now you will get coconuts and you will get a perfume. Now, once you carry out, we get an olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. You anoint the cloth and you pray on it. As you pray on it, you put on this cloth. Now you will carry out this prayer only at night. Carry out this prayer for yourself only at night. Now, this is what you will do. For the 7 days whilst you are carrying out this prayer, you must ensure that you do not, every water that you be bathing, you include a little quantity of coconut water inside of it. Now, I have said it that once you are using coconut for any spiritual thing, do not smash it on the ground. You could get a hard object and break it through like this, or you get something and thrust through the holes here and include it. Now, you ensure that you drop a little quantity of coconut water whilst you are bathing for the 7 days. Now, whilst you are doing this prayer, you carry out this, you put on this clothes, the old clothes, you get an old clothes of yours that you've worn before, you put it on and you pray this prayer, you make declarations, you make prayers for you. Anyone that have changed my garment, whoever have polluted, have manipulated my garment. Like I said, your garment represents your attraction, your garment represents your glory, your garment represents your beauty. Whoever has tempered with my garment, once you put on that clothes, now you will get a perfume. You will anoint the crown of your head You will anoint the sole of your feet. You put the perfume on your head, the middle of your head, center of your head. You put it on your feet, and you also use it, anoint your elbow. You put it on your elbow, and you make the prayers for yourself. Now, whilst you are praying this prayer, you are going to pray using Leviticus chapter 6 verse 11 and 12. That is the anchor scripture what you'll be using for this prayer. Leviticus 6 verse 11 and 12. You make the prayer, anyone that have changed my garment, anyone that have manipulated my garment spiritually, whatever it may be, as I pray with this cloth, I remove it, I change my garment, I return back my garment to the garment of fruitfulness, to the garment of attraction. I remove every negative garment they have been planted. At the end of the 7 days, you will remove this cloth and set it on fire. Ensure that whilst you are praying, you do not wash this cloth. Any cloth you take for that 7 days is a cloth you will use to the end of it. Do not wash it, do not dry it. At the end of the day, you take it off and put it, take it off and put it. You do. As you carry out this prayer, you are going to see the manifestative presence of the Almighty. This has been Adam. Bye for now.